In this video, we want to introduce the idea of combining two functions to form a new function by composition. When we compose two functions, we start with some real value input, and we apply one function, f, to that input to obtain some result f of x. We then take that result and apply the function g, and ultimately end up with g of f of x. So it's a two-stage function. We apply one function and then apply the second function to the result. In this video, we just want to do some basic computation with these two functions. We'll save the domain considerations for a series of videos following this one. Here I have two functions. Let's start by composing or taking g of f and evaluating it at the x value of 2. By definition, we are going to take our function f and evaluate it at 2, and then apply g to the result, right? F first, then g. F of 2 is 3, so I'm going to apply g to 3. I'm going to evaluate my function g at 3, and that's going to be equal to 10. So g of f of 2 is equal to 10. We can compose, of course, in the other direction. We can look at, or other order, we can look at f of g of, say, 0. That's going to be our function g evaluated at 0, and apply f to the result, right? Add g first, then f. G of 0 is equal to 4, and f of 4 is 15. So f of g of 0 will be equal to 15. We can, of course, compose a function with itself. We can look at g of g of, say, -3. In that case, we're going to take our function g and evaluate it at -3, and then apply g to the result. G of -3 is equal to -2. G of -2 is equal to 0. So g of -3 is 0. Let's finish off this video by computing one formula in general. So let's just look at g of f of x. Okay, so we're going to apply f to x and take g of the result. The formula for f is x squared minus 1. So I'm going to take x squared minus 1 and substitute it into all my x's in my function g. In this case, 2 times x squared minus 1 plus 4. Simplifying this expression, distribute the 2 and combine like terms. Okay, so g of f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 2. We will consider the domain of compositions in the following videos.